To everyone, we just want to use this opportunity to launch the Christmas period and thank you as our customers. But firstly, we thank the Almighty God who actually has sustained us to push this opportunity of healthier living for the past 3 years. As you all know, we kicked off in December 2017, precisely on the 1st of December 2017. Today is the 1st of December 2020. So 3 years of really hard work in a team, the pair internal team, and above all, you as our customers who have made us to be where we are today. Thank you so much. Also, congratulations to many of you who have been consuming our organic products, because it's not the normal thing out there today. So, congratulations that you could grab that opportunity to change your way of eating and went back the way our parents used to do before now. Also, using this opportunity to thank those who took advantage of the pre-Christmas promotion we launched in the month of November, the past 1 week up to yesterday, 30th of November 2020. Congratulations for some of you who saw the opportunity and could pick up your Christmas bag. We train it to you to choose the amazing promotion we are putting in place for you in this month of December, actually from today, the 1st of December. But then before we continue, I want each and every one of us to ask ourselves this question. Why do you think your parents, my parents, your great-grandparents, my great-grandparents were living a life free of chemicals? Why do you think many of them died at ages we today can never dream to attain? And if at all we are attaining them, may certainly be only with a handful of drugs every morning, or to some, a handful of drugs in the morning, a handful of drugs in the evening, a handful of drugs at midday. So we should ask ourselves this question. But it will make our life to be determined, or let me not say it's not our life anyway. It will make our health to be determined by what we eat. The father of modern medicine said, "Let food be our medicine and medicine be our food." Meaning that what we are eating should go a long way to prevent diseases. What we are eating should go a long way to see that the diseases that we already having are not being provoked by the food that we are eating. Just to name a few. Chronic pains. There are some people who cannot eat certain foods when they have pains. A diabetic patient, of course, is not supposed to eat everything. Those with hypertension and those with overweight. So it's not about today I'm making diet and then tomorrow I'll go back to the old ways. It's about changing our diet completely. So to make you have a taste of what we have, or not just only what we have, what is organic, we are going into this December with this Christmas promotion, we call it, so that you can taste organic products. I mean, if you doubt us, please just make a comparison, even with the simple ginger. But then I know many of us call it simple ginger. Ginger is not simple. With us, it's our goal at Pear. But you just compare. Go to the market, buy some of it, come here, pick some of it, and then you will tell us whether what we're talking that as organic and that what is outside it isn't organic. You will do it for yourself. Our Christmas promotion goes thus. You go on WhatsApp, check out our catalog, select products of your choice. We're not limiting you. Pack your bag and pick it up at Pear Healthier Living if you happen to be in Boya. If you're out of Boya, we do you the service and ship it to you wherever you are in Cameroon for free. Some of our good friends, faithful friends who are out of this country, you may not have the opportunity to consume our products, but their loved ones in Cameroon could do. I give you a tip for them. Christmas surprise. Pack a bag. You tell us the destination, and we are sending it to them wherever they are in Cameroon on your behalf, free of charge. Then to our faithful friends back in Germany, especially those in Berlin. You can pack your bag, we pack it for you. Our distributor in Berlin will forward it to you. Those who are in Berlin, you can go to them and pick it up yourself directly. Okay, of course, during this Christmas period, if you want to pack your bag, you're not buying the things at their regular prices. All the products from the Pear Garden, we call our farm the Pear Garden. Pear is our name, personal empowerment. All the products, all organic products from our farm have been discounted during this Christmas period for you. As far as up to 30% discount. I think, no, the most discounted product is up to 33% cheaper than regular prices. Please, we are talking here of organic products that are coming from our farm, processed for you to international standards. If you go out there and see a more qualitative processed product compared to what we have, which is organic, and see it cheaper than we're offering you, please come back. We will give it to you at that price. We're not saying that we are the best, but we're striving to offer to you the best, or let me say excellent quality at international standards. So please pack your bag. They are limited. Tell us how many you want, and we will send them to your destination. God bless you.